Guys, another episode of the Raiders. This is kind of a follow-through to the last episode, which was stealing the trophy. We didn't do it. We fell asleep. Sorry. So Levi will be your filmer today. Okay, today we are making traps. Let's go. The first one is a cardboard bird trap. It's fairly simple. You need 2 cardboard boxes, tape, and a knife. Guys, look at this. Gotcha.
Come on, you got me.
Why don't you go up ahead real quick?
Okay.
This is the homemade bird trap. It consists of a box of there and a box of peel. So you cut this and you cut all side and you cut those out. And so what you do is you gently rest it like this and you put birdseed on the top. The birds fly on top and they fall in and they can't get back out. That's how it works. So let's go set it up. Some birdseed on it and find out. Sprinkle some birdseed on there. Wait, we don't have birdseed. So what shall we do for bait? They like peanut butter, don't they?
Yeah, I think so.
They like peanut butter.
Or we can do some like nuts.
Huh?
Or we can do blend
They
up
like
some.
nuts?
Yeah, like that's basically what birdseed is. We can blend up some nuts. Yeah. We can try it, right? All right, guys, we'll be right back. We're gonna go make some birdseed. See ya.
Hey guys, so we couldn't find any corn or anything, so we're just gonna cut up some like pecans and walnuts and like peanuts and such and cashews into some peanut butter and use it as bird seed. So yeah, okay, bye. This is the mix. It's cashews and peanut butter. I bet the birds will go crazy for that. Okay, let's go. GTA 5 NPCs.
Dude, you should put it inside. Dude, you should put it inside. You should put it inside the box.
like a little bit.
All right, guys.
Yo, what's that? Ah, wait, yeah. That's even better. I'm trying to get some up.
All right, guys. We'll be right back. We'll start. We'll be right back, guys. See ya.
Okay, we're going to find relocate this. For your convenience, we're doing a time lapse.